Hello friends, so in today's video I want to talk a little about the park distance control system that we get. So in Volkswagen Tiguan there are a lot of parking sensors as well as the rear view camera. Now rear view camera, we all know the moment you engage reverse gear, the reverse camera gets activated, which means it will show you when you're parking in reverse or going in reverse, it will show you everything in the camera. But what about if I'm parking in a tight spot where obviously there's no front camera? So how do I know if something, if there's an object in my car's path, and how close can I go to that object? So right now you see there is a big thing right in front of the car, right? It's a cemented structure. Now if you see in the infotainment system, right, these sensors, right, this is indicating the car's total area around the car, and right now it is in white, which is showing that there's no object in the car's path. While we are talking about this, if you see when I move my steering, the headlights move to right, which is another topic we'll cover in some other time. Now as I move closer to the object, you will see that the car will start playing acoustic sign, as well as you will see this yellow line, which means the object is in the path, but not yet completely, the car is not yet closer to it. So as I move closer and closer, this yellow signal will keep on coming closer to the car within this picture, right? As I move a little more, you see the sound will keep on increasing. Now it means that I am dangerously close. Now it is showing which all area I am going to probably get impact at if I move any further. Now when I'm too close, this will turn into red, which means you cannot go any further, right? Now the object is definitely in the path of the car, and there's a good chance of you hitting that object. So I don't want to hit my car to the object, so I'll turn into reverse, move my car back. So these sensors can really help you when you're parking in a space where you don't have a good visibility of what lies in the front or what's in the car's path when you are turning around. You can access it in multiple ways. If you click on this button here, sorry, I'll show it again. If you click on this button here, this is the park distance control button. You click and it will show you different options, so you can adjust the volume and everything. You can also go into the car's menu. You go to vehicle, go to settings here, and you see parking and maneuvering, park distance control, automatic activation. You can change the volume, pitch, rear pitch, maneuver braking if you activate it. So what it'll do is, let's say you are reversing your car, park distance control is activated by default. If you are at lower speed, I think less than 15 kilometers, if suddenly an object comes in the path and you're about to hit it, it will take an emergency braking. This has happened with me twice. I was trying to park my car and I was reversing. Suddenly a guy came behind my car and the car took an automatic braking, which helped me not hit that person. Similarly, the other day I was parking somewhere and there was a big stone which I couldn't see, but the car's parking sensor detected it and took an automatic maneuver braking. Otherwise I would have hit my car badly that day. So these are some of the very small things, but really useful in the Volkswagen Tiguan, especially this park distance control feature. So just like I described in the video, next time whenever you try to park your car in tight spot, make use of it. This should definitely help you. A camera is definitely a more enhanced version because you can actually see everything, but even with these sensors you still get a pretty good idea of what objects can be in the path of my car and at what side. So there are sensors all around this car which will give you a good idea of whether or not you should probably park your car there or there's an object, and you can prevent accidental scratching or bruising of your car. So this was a small video about parking sensors and the park distance control that you get. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching.